Lingportal Online School presents
Mixed Conditionals. Today we'll be talking about mixed conditional sentences, what they are, and how to use them in speech. This is an advanced grammar topic, but I expect that the students are already familiar with other types of conditionals. If students who want to revise what the types of conditionals are, I would advise them to watch the lesson All Types of Conditionals. The link is in the right-hand corner. Well, let's start. It is clear that mixed conditionals are a type of conditional sentence that mix two different time periods in one sentence. In essence, mixed conditionals allow speakers to express hypothetical situations in which the timing of the condition and its result don't align with the typical patterns of standard conditionals. They are particularly useful for expressing complex or nuanced ideas about casuality and hypothetical scenarios in English. When we talk about mixed conditionals, it would be better to keep in mind the structure of conditional sentences. If plus subordinate clause plus resulting clause. Number 1. Past condition plus present result. This type presents an unreal conditional in the past and their probable unreal result in the present. Imagine, I dream about if I had saved more money. This is certainly about the past unreal situation. So, let's colour it in blue. Do you remember the type? Yes, it is the third conditional. To continue dreams, I would own this house. This certainly relates to the present, so colour it in the green colour. It is certainly the second conditional. If I had saved more money, I would own this house. Have you noticed? We mix the third and second conditionals. Past conditional impacts onto the present. As you can see, with this type of sentence structure, you can express certainty, permission, or recommendation about a result. More examples. If I hadn't moved to London, I wouldn't be married. If I had studied English, I could have more job opportunities. In these types of mixed conditionals, it is possible to use the other modal, could, might. Let's move to mix 2. 2. Present condition plus past result. We use this type of conditional to express that due to the present conditional, something had already happened in the past. Do you understand? Conditional in the present impacts onto the past event. Returning to our dreams. If I were rich. I am not rich now, in the present, by the way. It is certainly the second conditional. Let's colour it in blue. To continue, I would have bought the Bugatti car that I saw yesterday. You see, this is the third conditional. Colour it in green. If I were rich, I would have bought the Bugatti car that I saw yesterday. Or, I would have bought the Bugatti car that I saw yesterday if I were rich. Have you noticed? The present state, me not being rich, impacts onto the past. More examples. If he wasn't afraid of snakes, he would kept them as pets. This means that he is afraid of snakes, and because of this present conditional, he has never kept a snake as a pet. If I drank coffee now, he would have ordered a cake. But I don't drink coffee now. That is why I haven't ordered a cake. Please note, you shouldn't confuse conditional and logical consequence. Let's look at the sentences. If nobody bought bread yesterday, we would have eaten nothing. If nobody bought bread yesterday, we will eat nothing. Will have nothing to eat. By using would have eaten in the first sentence, the speaker indicates a hypothetical consequence in the present resulting from that past condition. On the contrary, by using will eat in the second sentence, The speaker implies a logical cause and effect relationship, where the lack of bread yesterday directly influences the decision or outcome of not eating anything in the future. This isn't a hypothetical situation. In this usage, if sets up a cause and effect relationship. The condition, nobody buying bread yesterday, serves as the cause, while the consequence, we will eat nothing, is the effect that follows logically from that condition. So, the sentence implies that if the condition is true, nobody bought bread yesterday, then the consequence will also be true. We will eat nothing. Another example, a dialogue. Yesterday I saw a new model of iPhone at a reduced price. If you wanted it, why didn't you buy it? This isn't conditional, just a conversation about the past. This construction is common in everyday language to express logical conclusions based on known or assumed conditions. It's a way of stating that if certain circumstances are met, then a particular outcome is expected or inevitable. Test your knowledge. If you had turned on the sat-nav, we wouldn't get lost. If we had money, we would have travelled around the world. If you'd accepted that job, you wouldn't be so miserable. I hope you understand this topic. In summary, mixed conditionals blend past and present conditions to express complex hypothetical situations. Mastering them requires understanding of verb tenses and practice. By embracing these structures, you'll enhance your English skills, communicating with precision and fluency. Keep practicing to confidently wield mixed conditionals in your language journey. Happy learning!